Get you some Chartbuster ideas from our technical experts. Kunal, you go first.
Thank you so much for that. So, the charts which I'm looking out for is on the mid-cap front again, City Union Bank, and the indicator which I'm looking out for is a golden crossover. So, in simple in technical terms, we look out for golden crossover as a crossover of a 50-day moving average towards a 200-day moving average. Now, historically, this has worked out very well for City Union Bank. This was in August 2022 when the stock had given a golden crossover, and from the point where the stock had given a golden crossover of 150 approximately, in a matter of 3 to 4 months, the stock went up to as much as 200, 205 levels. So that's a decent return of more than 30-35% in a very short span of time. Now, this is a bearish crossover for the stock, and we've seen what has happened to the stock when it went through a bearish death crossover when the 50 DMA crosses below the 200-day moving average. Now, interestingly, on the positive side, the stock has given a golden crossover yet again. So, closer to this 140 odd mark is where we've seen the breakout happening for the stock and the golden crossover for City Union Bank, which means that even if you look at the historical context for the stock price, we could be looking at at least a 30 to 40 point upside for the stock over the near term, which means closer to 170 as a near term target for City Union Bank.
Okay, that's the view coming in terms of the long-term target price from Kunal. Naresh, let's discuss your stock and its KNR construction.
So KNR construction has been consolidating and making tops around the 280 mark around this trend line. If you see for the last 1 year, this is maybe the 6th attempt or a little more. So finally, the stock has broken out after 5-6 attempts. Good volumes in the last 3-4 sessions. So in this move from 265 to 295, the volumes have been highest in the last 2 years. So a clean breakout, expecting this to go towards new 52-week highs and all-time highs. And accumulated 290 to 305 levels, stop loss at 280, target price of 350 to 400.
So let's get some other stock ideas as well. Kunal, what's the mid-cap cracker idea?
So, not a mid-cap as such, but Tata Steel is something which I'd be bullish on from current levels, expecting this metal major to head into a breakout. So, 134 is the target, stop loss 122. And the second would be about BF Utility, something which I've been bullish on over the last few days. It's moved up from 650 levels to 700, would revise the targets higher to 750, stop loss at 675.
All right, let's nail it down then. Naresh, to your top calls.
So first would be a buy on Cipla, which has given a fresh breakout. The whole large cap pharma looks interesting. Stop loss at 1260, target price of 1350. Second is a buy on Ashok Leyland, which has seen good volumes in the last 2 sessions. Stop loss at 175, target price of 190.
All right, there you have it. Those are your top Chartbuster ideas being flagged off by our chartists.